Thank
Welcome.
you, Chair Graber. And yeah, you all do look really good from this seat.
It's good,
This is a
right?
little weird, though. This is a really big table for one person.
It is.
So Chair Graber, Vice Chair Munoz, Vice Chair Scharf, and members of the committee. For the record, my name is Travis Nelson, and I'm the state representative for House District 44 North and Northeast Portland. Oregon rightfully prides ourselves on fairness, opportunity, and workforce participation. However, when it comes to employment for people with disabilities, the data tells a different story. The Center for Research on Disability estimates that about 27% of people with disabilities in Oregon are employed, ranking us right in the middle nationally. This tells us that many people are being sidelined not because they can't work, but because the system still isn't working for them. At a time when workforce participation and economic development are top priorities, House Bill 4093 helps people with disabilities enter, stay in, and contribute to the workforce, which directly benefits the workers, employers, and our great state. Currently, BOLI already provides guidance for employers. However, House Bill 4093 will go a step further and ensure employees will have further access to clear information about their rights and available resources. House Bill 4093 also clarifies that physical requirements in job postings must be tied to essential functions. This is critical because many people with disabilities self-screen out before ever applying for a position. This bill also allows employees to bring a support person to reasonable accommodation meetings should they choose. For some, these are conversations that can be complex and intimidating, and this move will help ensure those discussions are informed, fair, and productive. And lastly, local governments have been added onto non-discrimination statutes with state government. This adds uniformity at all levels of government in Oregon. And we've heard from local governments that they are already in compliance with these statutes because they are already following federal guidelines. And yes, federal law does have some protections for people with disabilities. However, many of those protections exist in federal rules or guidance, not in statute, and as we know, federal standards can change. After hearing concerns from stakeholders, we have an amendment on the way. Language in the current bill on OLIS regarding physical requirements was interpreted by some to imply that the use of physical requirements is intended to screen out people with disabilities from certain jobs. And let me be clear, that was not my intent. An additional amendment will also change the current version of authorized representative to support person to alleviate concerns about the representative joining the employee. My intent with this section has always been to allow for a supportive person chosen by the worker to attend the meeting, and this will make clear that the additional person's role is solely to support the employee requesting the accommodation. The committee may hear that Oregon already has strong laws, but by ranking 25th, I just don't think that's good enough. Oregon should always strive to do better, and House Bill 4093 provides needed clarity and stability for both workers and employers. House Bill 4093 supports a more inclusive workforce and, in turn, a stronger economy. Oregon has always aimed to lead, and I urge your support on this bill. Thank you.